So, being in the home business industry, I get a lot of questions, especially when it comes to understanding the difference between pyramid scheme and legitimate network marketing. It's a fair question and a really important one to clarify. Hey there, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome back to our channel. So, for anyone trying to make an informed decision about joining a business opportunity, the last thing you want to do is get caught up with something that's either illegal or unethical. And trust me, I get it. I've been asked this so many times that I decided to do some pretty strenuous research just so I could get all the right information, not just for you, but for myself as well. So, what is a pyramid scheme? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a pyramid scheme? In simple terms, it's an illegal business model that promises payments or rewards solely for recruiting others into the scheme. The product or service, if there is even one, is secondary, or in some cases, completely non-existent. See, the entire model depends on people paying money to join and then recruiting others to do the same. This creates a pyramid-like structure with money flowing to the top, while those at the bottom, they often lose out. Pyramid schemes are unsustainable. Why? Because eventually you run out of people to recruit. See, when the recruitment dries up, the entire structure collapses. And the harsh reality is, most people end up losing money while only a few at the top make any real profit. That's why pyramid schemes are illegal in most countries. So, what is network marketing? Let's talk about network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, MLM. At first glance, network marketing can look similar to a pyramid scheme because of its structures of hierarchy. However, here's the fundamental difference. Network marketing focuses on selling legitimate products or services, and participants earn a commission based on the sales they make, as well as the sales made by the people they bring into the business. It's a performance-based model. In a legitimate network marketing company, there's a tangible product or service that has real value, and the focus is on customers and sales, not just recruitment. In fact, in most well-established network marketing businesses, you could make money without recruiting anyone at all by simply selling their products. Here's the key differences between pyramid schemes and network marketing. And here's a quick breakdown on the key differences. Number one, legality. Pyramid schemes are illegal. Network marketing is legal when done correctly. Number two, revenue model. In pyramid schemes, money is made almost exclusively by recruiting others. In network marketing, the focus is on selling products or services. Number three, sustainability. Pyramid schemes are destined to collapse because they rely upon constant recruitment, versus network marketing is sustainable as long as there is demand for the product or services. Number four, risk. In a pyramid scheme, most people lose money. In network marketing, income is based on effort, sales, and building a customer base. So, there you have it. While the two might look similar on the surface, the differences are pretty significant. Pyramid schemes are built on hype and ultimately failure. But with network marketing, if you partner with a reputable company and put in the effort, you can build a real business based on real products. It is so important to do your research before jumping into any business opportunity. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. But with network marketing, there are legitimate ways to build an income as long as you're willing to put in the work. Thanks for watching, and if you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And remember, if you're curious about how to build a successful network marketing business, check out my free resources on my website at freedomlifebusiness.com. Stay informed, stay smart, and keep building your future. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember, to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.